2 magnets in one Victorinox Swiss Army Knife from a pair of old earplugs, headphones. In these headphones there are magnets that can fit in this Victorinox can opener. Okay. Oh, that's so small. Look how small it is. I think I'll use the pin to get this one out. Voice coil. The actual magnet, you can tell it's here. The magnet is here. Okay, it's coming out. Oh, neodymium magnet. It just sits there. If you have the parcel hook, this will fit in the parcel hook, but if you don't have the parcel hook, it fits in the can opener. Keep it here. Magnet. Magnetic Swiss Army Knife. Perfect fit. 2 magnets. One is here. Two magnets. One magnet and the second magnet. Nice way to store it behind the screwdriver. It's safe there. I think it's pretty good.